Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode CLI on VS Code. Really simple, let me show you all the process. At first, you have to go to the browser and go for the VS Code because you have to download this. So you have to type VS Code, then you have to download this. Here you can see code.visualstudio.com. Now you can click here download, then it will directly take you to the download page. From here, you have to actually choose any of the operating system you are using. Currently I'm using Mac, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then it will start downloading. Here you can see I already download this, so I'm not going to download this once again. You just have to download this and then go to the downloads, and here you can see this is the VS Code. Now if you're from Windows, you just have to double click on this. Okay, and if you're from Mac, you just have to drag and drop it here in this application section, or maybe you can double click on it, then there will be a pop-up window like this. Then you have to actually drag and drop it here in this application folder, then it will start installing. I already have this, so I'm not going to install it once again. Now to open this, you have to actually go to the application. Now double click on it, and now you just have to actually drag and drop it here in this application section, then it will actually start installing. Here you can see. So guys, we have successfully installed VS Code. Now we are going to open VS Code. So to open VS Code, we have to go to the application section here, and here we have VS Code. Double click on it, then VS Code will be open. So click here open, then it will open. All right, this is the interface. Now I will actually we need here terminal to install OpenCode CLI, right? So we need terminal. So you can actually, we have shortcut to get this. So the shortcut is Control plus backtick. Okay. So the sign is called backtick. Control plus backtick. Then you will find this terminal. So this is called backtick. Okay, this one. All right, now here you have to write npm, then space I space -g, okay, space OpenCode -AI at latest. All right, and if you are from Mac, you just have to remove this and then go at the very beginning and then say here sudo super user do, give the permission, that's it. Then you have to actually install it. You just have to hit enter, then it will install in your PC and also inside VS Code. But here you can see we have npm. So if you want to install anything through package manager, okay, package installer like npm, you have to have Node.js in your PC. So make sure you have download Node.js. Just go to the browser, go for the Node.js official site, and from here you can select any of the version, then click here download, then it will start downloading. Then you just have to install it, and after that you can actually run this command. So if you are not from macOS, remove sudo from here, okay, use this only. If you're from Mac, you just have to actually say here sudo super user do, that's it. Now hit enter, then it will actually start installing here. I already installed it, so I'm not going to do this once again. I will just show you the version, which version actually I have installed. So to check the version, if you successfully install it or not, you just have to say here OpenCode -version, that's it. Then you will get here a version, you can see, that's all. So I hope you understand. Now let's, if you want to open OpenCode, you can say here OpenCode and then hit enter, then OpenCode will be open here, you can see. Then you can write here anything, okay. All right guys, I hope you understand, and if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.